Welcome to Leadtek Optoelectronics. Join us as we explore our automated LCD module production line and discover how every display module is manufactured with precision. The production process begins with automatic loading. The loading machine accurately feeds, positions, and transfers LCD glass into the production line, ensuring stable handling while improving manufacturing efficiency. Next, the panels enter the grinding and cleaning process. Dust, particles, and surface contaminants are removed to ensure a clean bonding area, providing a reliable foundation for the precision bonding processes that follow. The process then moves to automatic COG, chip-on-glass, bonding. Using a high-precision vision alignment system, the display driver IC is accurately bonded onto the LCD glass through ACF technology, ensuring stable electrical connections and reliable display performance. After COG bonding, the module proceeds to automatic FOG, film-on-glass, bonding. The flexible printed circuit, FPC, is precisely bonded to the LCD glass, enabling stable signal transmission and power connection between the display module and the main control system. The bonded module is then inspected by the AOI, Automated Optical Inspection, system. High-resolution vision technology automatically detects defects such as misalignment, foreign particles, and bonding abnormalities, ensuring consistent product quality throughout the manufacturing process. After passing inspection, the module enters the automatic dispensing process. The dispensing machine precisely controls adhesive position and volume, providing reliable bonding for subsequent assembly while improving product consistency and long-term reliability. Finally, the completed modules are automatically collected and transferred to the next production stage. If you'd like to learn more about our products and manufacturing capabilities, we warmly welcome you to visit Leadtek Optoelectronics and meet our team to explore future collaboration opportunities.